there, it's Leanne Davis, and I am here to talk a little bit about the future of our assignments and talking a little bit more focusing on podcasts, where we can build our voice in the digital world. So we might ask, what is a podcast? And we know that a podcast is a digital audio content. It's typically in a series or episodes that can be listened to at any time. It is similar to radio, but more flexible and personal. Why are podcasts popular? Well, they're popular because of their flexibility. Listeners can tune in at any time and anywhere. Additionally, podcasts offer in-depth and high-quality content that is often not available in traditional media. There are different types of podcasts, such as interviews, monologues, serialized stories, and panel discussions. Each format offers a unique and engaging listening experience. One type of podcast that I especially use in my classroom is for my flipped classroom. And flipped classrooms allow teachers to teach their mini lessons to students at home using podcasts. Then they can group students according to their levels in the classroom and meet students' needs in the classroom. So instead of taking time out of teachers' class time to teach the mini lesson, the students already hear that mini lesson at night, the night before. So that helps them become prepared for the next day, and the teacher can just jump right into differentiation. Some other positives about podcasting is that it helps limit distractions that are sometimes in a classroom setting. It helps build students' confidence with a preview, and it also gives them an opportunity to go back and listen to different lessons for extra reviews if necessary. And it also allows parents to see the new methods and how teachers are actually teaching their lessons in the classroom. Podcasting, as you can see, is an excellent tool for sharing information and reaching a wide audience. You can start creating your own podcast and share your voice with the world. So go ahead, get out there and get started.